can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, ended the month of June trading above $109,000. Ethereum currently trades around $2,458. Bitcoin dominance is at that 55% region. We're still waiting for that epic Bitcoin dominance decline, which will lead us to Altseason. We're waiting for Altseason. We'll look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, bullish news going around the market, bearish news going around the market. Market participants are in dilemma. Should we be pumping to the moon, or are we going to continue dumping to goblin town? We'll also look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. The 1st of July 2025, we have greed in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday there was greed, last week there was greed, and last month there was greed in the market. Bitcoin still trades above $100,000. Ethereum is trading above $2,400, and over the last 3 months we have seen the cryptocurrency market stay in a period of sustained greed. I still believe we're going to enter a period of extreme greed very soon, but that period of extreme greed will signal the end of the cryptocurrency market. We have seen the cryptocurrency market go back to greed since on the 23rd of April 2025, and since then, even though we have seen some bouts of fear in the market, we have seen the markets get stuck in neutral sentiment, but for most of the time we have seen the market stay in greed. And I'll not be sure, guys, if in the coming days and the coming weeks we see Bitcoin dominance dumping. We have been talking about Bitcoin dominance dumping on this channel for quite a while right now. Bitcoin dominance dumping usually signifies the start of Altseason. We have seen so many false starts for Altseason in this market cycle. We saw one in November 2024 when we saw, after the election, Bitcoin pumping, the altcoin market pumping harder than Bitcoin. That time, Bitcoin dominance down by around 11%, and we saw Bitcoin dominance actually crashing, altcoins pumping aggressively. We saw another false start for Bitcoin dominance in May of 2025. We saw XRP and Ethereum actually pumping. But guys, we're still waiting for the big one. The big one should take Bitcoin dominance towards the 50% plus region. We should see Bitcoin dominance coming to as low as 54%, maybe even touching the 50% region. And we'll see Bitcoin dominance dumping. Expect to see huge pumps in the altcoin market. Right now, the altcoin market is still halfway there, halfway not there. Over the last 1 month, we have seen huge declines in the altcoin market. So even though we have seen some big gains like SIA, XPX, Sky, Bitcoin Cash, Penguin, we still have a lot of altcoins over the last 1 month have seen huge losses on a weekly time frame also. And even though we're seeing some bounce in the altcoin market on the weekly, we're still down. But remember, guys, things can quickly change in the cryptocurrency market. That's how volatile the market can be. Volatility in the cryptocurrency market, it's not a bug, it's a future. Now, if you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin in the market, Ethereum has been dumping since 2021 against Bitcoin in the market, but something happened on the 22nd of April 2025. We saw Ethereum start outperforming Bitcoin, and since then, Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin by over 30%. I believe in the coming days and coming weeks, we're going to see altcoin pumping aggressively. Ethereum is going to lead that charge. We could easily see Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin get to as high as the 0.04 ratio level. That's where Ethereum was valued against Bitcoin in November of 2024. If you take a look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market right now, market participants are in limbo. We have some market participants waiting for Altseason. We have some market participants waiting for Bitcoin to continue rallying to higher prices. And we just have some bears that are all out of the market. Over the next few days and next few weeks, guys, I expect to see more improved sentiments in the cryptocurrency market, more bullish news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Robinhood launches layer 2 blockchain for stock trading in Europe. Bitcoin demands generation phase mirrors 2022 market bottom and new highs coming. There's one thing I've noticed over the last few weeks is that market participants are skeptical about Bitcoin, while the news headlines are challenging us to buy more Bitcoin. They're telling us Bitcoin will continue going higher and higher and higher. For some weird reasons, I just feel like there's something iffy around the corner US Supreme Court will not review IRS case involving Coinbase user data. First US staking ETF to launch on Wednesday, giving investors exposure to Solana. Bitcoin holds steady as major catalyst alliance for breakout above $110,000. Let's not forget, Bitcoin's all-time high sits around $112,000, where we got to on the 23rd of May 2025. Ethereum trading patterns points to a 100% rally to $5,000. Hopefully that comes. Solana price rallies to $161 after ETF news, but is the rally sustainable? Solana has been one of the leading altcoins in this market cycle. We've seen Solana get to as high as $297, which was a very, very good thing for Solana. Solana meme coins were pumping. If you had Solana in this cycle, you're one of the OGs. You are doing very, very well for yourself. But guys, over the last few months, over the last few weeks, Solana just feels as if it has been going nowhere. And if you zoom out on the yearly time frame, Solana is still trading when it was trading somewhere in March of 2024, which meant all the hype, all the meme coin trading, all the speculation on Solana just eventually meant Solana was going sideways for more than 476 days. In the coming days and coming weeks, we might see Solana rally back to the $200 level, but let's not get carried away. That might be a telltale sign Solana is getting ready for their final pump before the dumps gobbling town. I'm of the opinion we can't continue pumping forever. Solana's bottom of the bear market came in December of 2022. That's when Bitcoin was trading at $15,000. We saw Solana trading around the $8 level. We've seen Bitcoin rally to as high as over $110,000. We've seen Solana also rally to as high as $297. At some point in time, the nearest future, the bear market will come. But before then, you have to sell for some sweet profit. News stories going around the cryptocurrency market cycle applies for US Trust Bank charter to manage its USDC reserve. TradFi could move on-chain due to horrible banking experience. Bitcoin sets monthly record close at $107,000 as analysts tips 9% rally. Bitcoin has vertical acceleration up the table. Analysts raise chances of Sol, XRP, and Litecoin ETF approval to 95%. And that ties with my expectation for altcoin season. We're seeing XRP ETF getting launched, Litecoin ETF getting launched, and Solana ETF getting launched. Expect to see some little FOMO in the cryptocurrency market. Expect to see the altcoin market pumping, and expect to see Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market dumping. If Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market is dumping, what would that happen to the total cryptocurrency market cap? I expect a situation where Bitcoin dominance will be dumping and we'll see total crypto market cap rising to new highs, maybe even getting to new all-time highs. The total crypto market cap just needs around 13% pump to register a new all-time highs. And with Bitcoin dominance reducing, you expect to see Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market increasing. Right now it's at 9.13%. I expect Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market to shoot to as high as 14%. Total crypto market cap excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'll be expecting it to rally back to the previous highs, which is around the $1.16 trillion level. At the same time, I'll be expecting total crypto market cap setting new all-time highs, altcoin market cap rallying to new highs. I'll be expecting Bitcoin, the king of the market, to struggle to get to new highs. Some of the opinion, Bitcoin has stopped already. The cycle high for Bitcoin is around the $112,000 level. Maybe we get to new highs. Maybe we'll struggle to break to new highs. But if we don't get to new highs, I won't be shocked that the party is over. If you take a look at liquidation data in the last 24 hours in the cryptocurrency market, over 83,000 traders have been liquidated, with total liquidation coming in around $211 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on Binance. One trader lost $2.29 million. And as always, guys, you don't want to lose your hard-earned money before the main party starts. You want to wait for the main event. The meme coin market has been showing some signs of weakness, even though the last 7 days we saw Pokemon Penguins up 47%. SPX 6900 has lost 10% of its value. We have seen Dog Hard lose 3% of its value. Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, official Donald Trump, and Bonk are all losers over the last 7 days. And I expect them to lead the rally when we enter Altseason. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, Bitcoin, the king of the market, is down 1.27% in the last 24 hours, But the important factor is in the last 60 days, guys, Bitcoin has rallied 11%, Ethereum has rallied 32%, which means Ethereum is already outperforming Bitcoin over the last 60 days. I will expect that to continue into the nearest future. And when we get to the end of the market cycle, that will be pronounced because we'll see market participants running into the altcoin market because there will be growth in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin will face to set new all-time highs. We'll see Bitcoin dominance dumping. We'll see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market increasing, and total cryptocurrency market cap possibly getting to new all-time highs. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you buying more altcoins right now? Do you still believe in altcoin season? How high do you see Bitcoin will go before the end of 2025? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.